Okay, so if your Minn Kota gets to a point where it will not lock in the down position, every time the motor comes on, it wants to rear up. There's a little lever back here. It's supposed to lock it into place. Well, the motor's brand new. It quit working. Okay, it would not lock into place. Well, you have two screws on each side. So I took this side off, and this is the lever. Okay, and you can see it came off of this little pin, which is supposed to lock the motor in place. So now you can see it doesn't move. Well, when that comes off inside here, there's too much room and play. So I took off the other side. To see what it looked like, and I realized from the factory the little washer that's on this side was not on this side of that pin. So what I'm going to do is, since I don't have one of those pins, let me see that. I'm going to build up a little ledge with some of the UV glue that you see on TV. I'm going to build up a ledge here just to keep it from falling off. We're going to see how that works. So let's try that. So what we did here was, right where I do not have the washer from the factory on the other side of the pin, and they didn't have one that would fit it exactly, I took some of this Bondic, which is a UV glue. You can see I put it on there, built up about 3 layers, so that now this little latch will not come off. Okay, so that once it's enclosed in here, it will lock the motor down. Okay, won't come off, and it will unlock the motor. You see how that works? That's what we did. So now the motor will actually lock down, okay, so that when you try to go forward, the motor doesn't kick up in the air. So Minn Kota, I love your motor, but this is a quality control issue that's not good. So if you have one of these Minn Kotas, this one happens to be a PowerDrive, but any of the ones that have this little lever, this little locking lever here, they may have forgot this. You know, you can see the groove. They may have forgot that from the factory. So just a thought. There's how we fixed it. So put the screws back on. We're done.